In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera automatically when entering a Zoom meeting. If you've ever joined a call a little too quickly and found yourself on camera before you were ready, this setting will save you from those awkward moments. By the end, your video will stay off by default whenever you enter a meeting, and you'll still be able to turn it on manually whenever you choose. Start from your Zoom home screen. Look to the lower left corner and click Settings. Depending on your version, this may appear as a gear icon labeled Settings. If your Zoom window is narrow, you might need to widen it slightly to see all options clearly, but the Settings button will always be available from the home view. This is where Zoom keeps your account preferences and will make a quick change that applies to how you join meetings. Inside Settings, open the section called Meetings and Webinars. It's in the left-hand menu, and it groups together all the options that control your in-meeting experience. This page is where you decide what Zoom should do the moment you join or host, from audio behavior to video defaults. We're going to focus on a small but important preference that affects your camera status at join time. Find the area labeled Join Experience, then turn on the option that says Keep my camera off. When you enable this, Zoom will default your video to off every time you enter a meeting or webinar. The change takes effect immediately. There's nothing else you need to save, and you'll notice the toggle switch move to the on position. This doesn't block you from using video. It simply protects your privacy until you decide to appear on screen. If a host invites you to start video, you'll still see the prompt, but the decision remains yours. The next time you join, your camera will stay off automatically, so you can settle in, check your surroundings, or adjust lighting before turning video on. That's all it takes. Click Settings in the lower left, go to Meetings and Webinars, and in Join Experience, enable Keep My Camera Off. This preference is designed to be set and forget, and you can always return to the same place to change it later if your needs shift. It's a simple tweak that makes joining meetings calmer and more professional, especially when you're moving between back-to-back calls. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, set the toggle now so you're covered for your next meeting and enjoy the peace of mind of joining on your own terms.